Hey guys, welcome to our fourth video in this 5-part series about your 5 options when you've been sued by either a debt collector or an original creditor. So just by way of quick review, the first one is file bankruptcy. Second one is fight the lawsuit on your own. Third one is settle the lawsuit on your own. Now we're going to switch to hiring an attorney. So this fourth one will be, what about hiring a lawyer to help you settle the case? Well, just like it sounds, you're getting a lawyer to get involved in the lawsuit with the goal of settling the case. So what are the advantages of that? Well, instead of doing this on your own, you now have a lawyer who presumably is experienced and knowledgeable about handling these types of cases, so they should be able to help you with that. And you would want to certainly have the advantage of getting a better deal than you could get on your own. If it's the exact same deal you could get on your own, then why hire the lawyer? So by hiring the lawyer, you're going in with the expectation that the advantage is maybe this is the deal I could get. Well, this lawyer can make it cheaper for me to get out of this lawsuit. And the lawyer may be able to help you with credit reporting and help you with taxes. So with credit reporting, sometimes it can be negotiated that the credit reporting will be deleted. So that can be an advantage. And again, with the taxes, it can be structured by the lawyer in a way that there will be no 1099 issue because there is no forgiven debt. Or if there is forgiven debt, it is disputed debt that would not result in a 1099. So it's something to talk to your lawyer about. Well, what are the disadvantages? Well, obviously you got to pay the lawyer, right? If you're hiring a lawyer to help you, you're going to have to pay that lawyer. So how much are you paying that lawyer compared to the deal you're getting? So let's just think in very simple terms. What if you could do a settlement for $5,000 and you pay the lawyer $2,000 and the lawyer gets you the settlement for $4,000? Well, just considering nothing else, you're paying a total of $6,000 for that settlement when you could have settled it for $5,000 on your own. Now, let's kind of flip that around. Say you could settle it for $5,000 on your own. You pay the lawyer $2,000. The lawyer settles it for $2,000. Well, now you're in the money here because you've only paid a total of $4,000. Now, there's obviously more than just the numbers. Some people say, I just don't want to deal with it. Okay, and I think I've used this example before. I could do my own taxes. I could do the taxes for my firm. I have no desire to do that. I'd have to refresh some my memory on some tax stuff. But I don't want to do it. I would much rather pay somebody. Okay. Now, I may decide I want to cut my own yard, or I may want to hire somebody, a kid in the neighborhood to cut my yard. We just have to make these decisions. The other thing is it's not just the money. What about credit reporting? That can be huge for some people. What about tax consequences? That can be huge for some people. And just making sure that this is done correctly. So there are definitely pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages to hiring a lawyer to help you settle it. You need to know exactly what it's going to cost you, what the lawyer is going to do about credit reporting, what the lawyer is going to do about taxes, what the lawyer will do about making sure that the settlement, is there a written agreement? Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Is that going to be handled? What about the lawsuit coming to a close? Will it be dismissed with prejudice or without prejudice? You want to know what the lawyer is going to do so that you can evaluate this and say, maybe in your mind you say, I'm not doing bankruptcy and I'm not going to fight the lawsuit. I want to settle it. Well, do you settle it on your own? That's option 3, or with a lawyer, option 4. We've got to know as much as possible to be able to evaluate those 2 options. Now, in the next video, we'll talk about the final option, which is hiring a lawyer to fight the lawsuit for you. So I appreciate you watching this video. Hope you found it helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye.